everyone, in today's video I'm gonna be testing this BB cream by PURITO. I hope that's how you pronounce this name. This is a Korean brand, and I bought their sunscreen some time ago, and this was literally like the best sunscreen I've ever used. So I was like, damn, these cosmetics are pretty good, and I decided to test some other ones. So this is how the packaging looks like. Pretty simple, and we'll see how this works. It says that it contains snail extract, agave leaf extract, smooth out the skin and provide some moisture and nutrition. So let's test it out. The color looks a lot darker than my natural skin color. Feels super light on my skin. It smells really good too. I'm impressed. Like, it looked pretty dark when I first took it out of the tube, but it blends in like perfectly. Wow. I have a pimple right here on discoloration. So I'm trying to see if I can build up some coverage. First impressions, I'm pretty impressed. Okay, so first impressions, I'm really impressed with this product. I wasn't sure which shade to pick. I picked the middle one. They have three. There's like light beige, I think medium beige. What's the name of this shade I got? Natural beige, number 23. And there is also like some darker shade, maybe like, I don't remember the name, honestly. My skin is pretty fair. On the camera it may seem like it's a little like darker, but I actually used the lightest shade of the Clinique Even Better foundation. It's the Flax shade. From my experience with Korean cosmetics, I know that choosing the lightest shade is not a good idea for my skin color. So I'm glad I went with the natural beige, the medium shade, because it looks perfect. Like it's literally, honestly, it looks even better than the Clinique foundation. It looks more natural, like this, the color. And it's funny because from the tube, like when I first started squeezing it out, I was like, okay, this is way too dark. I messed up. But when I started blending it in on my face, on my skin, like it's like it matched my skin color. It's incredible. It still gives you the coverage. It's not full coverage like, you know, with some heavy foundation, but I would say it's a very similar coverage to the Clinique Even Better foundation. I was able to build it up a little bit, adding another layer on like spots instead of using a concealer. But yeah, I mean, my skin like has a nice glow. It's not shine, it's not like, you know, it doesn't look oily, but it has like this nice shine. I don't know what to call it, like glow. Yeah, I would call it a glow because yeah, but it looks good. And you know, if I want to, you know, make it matte, I'm just gonna use my Mineral Fusion pressed powder foundation in neutral 2. This is like my go-to powder foundation. It's great. So let me show you, like if I want to make it, you know, more matte, like not an issue. See? But honestly, I kind of like the glow. Like it looked really healthy. It has very good SPF in it. Like I'm impressed with this product. I wasn't sure. I was like, this is cheap. I'm gonna test it out. If it doesn't work, I don't mind. I didn't spend $50 on this product. Only like, I think it was less than 15 on Amazon too, which is, you know, so convenient. But like, it smells good. It feels super light on my skin. That's definitely something important because with a lot of foundation, whenever I apply them on my skin, it just, my skin instantly feels heavy, oily, dirty. With this product, it feels very light, and I love that. That's definitely something super important to me. So I'm glad this doesn't like leave a nasty layer on your skin, but still protects you from the sun exposure, gives you nice, even skin tone, covers blemishes. I had a huge pimple here. I mean, it's still visible, but I didn't put a concealer on it. I can put another layer of this product or concealer and it's gonna be covered. Like this was a pretty big pimple. It's actually, I would say, texture more than, you know, the color that is visible. So I'm impressed with this product. I'm pretty excited. I bought 2 products from this PURITO brand and they were hits. So far, I'm kind of curious, like if you guys know any other products from this brand, like which one would you recommend to try? But yeah, I love the ingredients. Pretty nice, yeah, list of ingredients, clean, pure, and these cosmetics are actually perfect for sensitive skin, which I have, although my skin is not super sensitive, but it's great. Yeah, like I know that this brand, like especially make sure that if you have very sensitive skin, like those products won't, you know, cause irritation, which is great. Okay, so I decided to check in with you guys. It's a few hours after I applied my BB cream. It's currently 3 p.m. and I applied around 9 a.m. So it's been around 6 hours and this is what it looks like. Honestly, I don't think my skin is like a lot more shiny than it was 6 hours ago, and it's very hot today. Like right now in my room is currently 87 degrees, so it's 84 outside, but I live on the last floor and it's pretty hot and sunny today, so yeah, I'm kind of sweaty. But yeah, so far, like I'm pretty impressed with this product. I like how it looks, I like how it feels even after a few hours. Still doesn't feel greasy. The coverage, I would say it's pretty much the same. So yeah, I'm still pretty happy with it. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments. And if you would like to see more videos like this one, don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.